Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming basic prerequisites: battery above 20% and the phone unlocked, so nothing interrupts changes. Once ready, open settings and go to display or, on some models, advanced features. This difference exists because Samsung groups gestures differently across One UI versions. Tap the gestures or navigation gestures entry to view available options. You're at the entry point, so tap through now. Selecting it shows the gesture list and quick toggles. These controls now choose which gesture set you want: one-handed, motion, or navigation gestures. Each serves a different purpose, so pick based on your workflow. Once selected, customize parameters like sensitivity, swipe area, and animation speed to match how you hold and move the phone. Make sure to use the built-in preview or demo to test. This step prevents surprises and shows why adjustments matter. If the motion feels off, reduce sensitivity or expand the swipe area. Then retest until it feels natural. Finish by enabling the gestures and confirming the changes. Tap Apply or the back button to exit settings. You should immediately test them across core apps: Home, Recents, Back, and the Camera app, because some system overlays can interfere. If gestures fail, first reboot the phone to clear temporary issues. Once done, make sure gestures are still enabled. If problems persist, reset gesture settings or check for a system update. These steps resolve most compatibility issues and restore expected behavior.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.